Halo, 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 halo guys, selamat datang kembali di game COD Cold War, Call of Duty Cold War. Kita lanjut yang kemarin ya guys, bersama si Bel yang sedang dicuci pikirannya. Kita dicuci pikirannya, kita dicuci otaknya, dicuci kakinya mungkin. Kembali ke perang Vietnam guys. Kita disuntikan nggak tahu sesuatu apa ya dari si Adler. Si Adler sama si Pak. Ya katanya si Adler lah ya. Dan di sini kita juga sedikit-sedikit ungkapin pikiran kita di masa lalu juga sih guys, kemungkinan yang tadi ya ada ke lab lah, kemana kita nyimpang dari misi utamanya kita menuju ke bunker. Nah ini apakah kita akan bertemu sama si Persus? Ustadz bisa duduk. Mana si Persus?
You're the only one who knows where Perseus is, where he'll detonate the nukes. Where is he, Bell?
Comrades, the United States and its allies slowly consume that which is dear to us. Our leaders continue to weaken under this
Oh
threat.
itu Persus guys.
It is the moral duty of Perseus to act when they will not. Soon we will possess an American nuclear bomb, the key to unlocking their entire green light arsenal. Once we control the green light arsenal, we will detonate them all from the safety of Solovetsky.
You gotta admit, I'm surprised. I didn't think they'd recover so fast. We tried everything. Normal forms of interrogation weren't working.
Breaking a subject's will and erasing their mind is a difficult and painful process.
That's a small price to pay.
The CIA's mind control program has had a great deal of success with implanted memories.
You want me to tell them about my time in Vietnam?
Lastly, you'll need a command phrase to trigger the implanted memories.
We have a job to do. We have a job to do.
You had to reach the Soviet bunker.
It appears the subject's programming is beginning to take hold.
We've got a job to do. We've known each other for years. Fought together, bled together, been through the hell of Vietnam together. We've got a job to do.
And now the training's complete. You just need to give the subject a name.
Bell.
Wow, Maret 14 1981.
They're coming too.
Kita udah sadar guys.
Bell, no more fucking around. What did Perseus say? Where is he?
Kita bisa milih satu atau dua. Siapakah aku atau apa yang terjadi sama aku? Apa yang terjadi sama aku?
What you're going through now is nothing compared to what you'll experience if you don't start cooperating.
Bullshit. Bullshit ya guys.
Bullshit is what your whole life will amount to if you don't come clean. Tell us where Perseus is.
Mengapa kamu melakukan itu ke aku, sama aku ya?
We gave you a second chance when you were shit out of luck. Now, we just want some assistance in return.
Bell, you were one of Perseus's agents. His associate, Arash Kardavar, turned on you at the airstrip in Turkey. Left you for dead.
Ini Arash guys. Ini Arash yang pertama kali kita bunuh guys. Pertama kali kita bunuh di pesawat itu loh guys. Yang di 41 kalau nggak 42 ya. Ini waktu dulu ini guys. Ini mengingat waktu kita bareng sama si Arash.
But I have other plans for you. Perseus thinks too highly of you. I don't want the competition.
Oh jadi ya Kita ditembak sama si Arash.
We were there. We found you after everything went down.
Kita sekarat itu guys. I believe you will help you if you can. Oke, kita pilih nomor 1 coba ya. Kamu bohong.
The CIA reinvented you, Bell. We needed to give you a new identity to replace the old. Sims and I both wanted you to be CIA. You didn't resist it as much as we thought you might. And we were able to utilize your language and cryptography skills as an added bonus. The bigger challenge was your memory.
The CIA's MK Ultra program used Atlas missions in Vietnam as a template. We needed you to have that shared experience, that lifelong bond, to establish trust.
I was never really in Vietnam. Aku benar-benar nggak pernah ke Vietnam.
No. Count yourself lucky. You've only had those memories for a few months. Me? I've been living with them for over a decade.
You people are sick. Kalian orang-orang gila ya.
Are your hands clean, Bell?
Bagaimana cara mengganti identitas? How did changing my identity help you? Gimana cara mengganti identitas untuk membantu kamu?
Interrogation didn't work with you, but thanks to MK Ultra's research, we had a backup plan. If you believed you were someone else, we could lead you to a place where you'd give everything up.
Fuck this. Okay.
I don't think so. You're still holding back on us, and we are gonna get it out of you. We have a job to do.
Itu kata kuncinya sih.
Bell, come on, we got a job to do. You got a job to do. The trigger phrase kept you in line, but it didn't get us everything we needed. Your innermost secrets were always locked behind a door. Bell, I realize you probably hate us right now, what we've done to you. I just need you to fully understand the stakes here. What you do right now is not about me, it's not about you, it's about millions of other fucking people. It's about stopping someone who, in the end, has no true allegiance to anyone other than himself. So tell me, where is
Kita
Perseus?
harus ngasih tahu Perseus.
Once we control the Greenlight Arsenal, we will detonate them all from the safety.
Solovetsky.
This is your chance to define who you really are, Bell. Where is Perseus?
From the safety.
Kita bisa jujur atau berbohong. Ini kayaknya ngaruh sama ending sih guys. Jadi kita kasih itu aja guys. Tadi sebenarnya kita itu si Bell itu sebenarnya adalah pasukannya si Perseus guys. Jadi anak buah kesayangannya si Perseus lah. Terus selamatin sama si Adler, terus dicuci otaknya. Jadi kita ditanemin MK Ultra itu salah satu teknologi buat nyuci otak ya. Ditanemin bahwa kita sebenarnya pernah berperang di Vietnam dan lain-lain. Tapi itu adalah semuanya itu adalah bohong ya. Karena itu cuma ditanam jadi ingatan-ingatan palsu. Jadi kita dicuci otaknya lah kalau simpelnya guys. Jadi di sini kita udah tahu bahwa kita dicuci otaknya sama si CIA, si Adler pemimpinnya. Dan sekarang kita bisa kasih tahu di mana si Perseus berada, itu bisa jujur atau bohong. Kita coba jujur ya guys. Nanti kita coba yang bohong ya. Oke, kita coba yang jujur dulu.
Solovetsky. Sims, get Washington on the line. Everyone else gear up. We're leaving now. You made the right choice, Bell. Come on. You're still one of us.
Jadi sebenarnya kita adalah anak buahnya si Perseus.
Perseus. The CIA's analysts consider him to be the single largest threat to the free world.
You've been given an important task. Protecting our very way of life from a great evil.
The United States and its allies slowly consume that which is dear to us.
We are hours away from Perseus detonating nuclear bombs in every major European city.
We'll do whatever it takes. Some of us will cross the line to make sure the line's still there in the morning. No one's gonna brand us heroes or villains. They don't know us. As for me, I've been chasing this ghost for 13 years. That ends now.
The final countdown. The final countdown. Guys, Maret 15, 1981. Sekarang kita benar-benar si Bell ini udah menjadi pasukan CIA ya.
Solovetsky's 2 clicks out.
All units, EMP in transit.
Starfish inbound, 400 knots.
When that baby hits, we'll have 12 minutes max before the radio towers come back online. Our job is to knock out the AA guns and give our warbirds a clean shot. Let's take Perseus off the air.
Wih, gila.
Fuck me, that loosens some filling. Light 'em up! Bad guys, lots of bad guys.
Kita pakai granat launcher ya. Ayo, mana lagi sini? Waduh.
Push up, go, go, go!
Ini kita udah sampai ke markasnya si Perseus sih guys. Guys, ini benar-benar aduh, ini apa? Ini shotgun kayaknya guys. Oh, RPG dari atas ini guys. Kita harus maju sih. Ini ngapain gila anjir? Bentar, salah jalan. Oke, kita masuk sini guys. Oke, let's party. Let's party, kita yang ditembakin terus ya guys. Kita akan di-crit. Aduh, bom. Nah, kalau crit tuh asik loh. Oke, bentar. Oh, ini teman. Kita harus tanam C4 di sini. Bentar. Gila. Anjir.
Cut him down. They're out NEAA guns on the west wing.
Ini apa guys? Oh, mesin gun guys. Jangan ah. Gak asik guys.
Adler, this is Hudson. Have you cleared the AA guns? We need to launch these bombers.
We got 1 AA cleared.
You know that's not good enough. I can't risk an early strike. We only got one shot at this.
You don't think I know that? Just be ready to launch when I tell you, Hudson.
Gila.
Contact.
Nggak ada orang di situ. Oh, di sana guys. Gila. Bentar. Ini berat ini. Mati gila.
We got 5 minutes before all of Europe goes nuclear. Pick up the pace. Their power's coming back on.
Adler, you seeing this?
Woods, we're running out of time. I gotta tell Hudson to launch.
That's a big gamble if that gun ain't cleared. Hudson, start your bombing run.
Wah, bentar.
Get your team out of there, Adler.
Tengah banget.
Those bombers won't have a chance if we don't clear
Kita
the
pakai
last
krik.
AA gun. You better hurry the fuck up. Now, take out that MG.
Orders confirmed. Bombing strike imminent.
Now, the bombers will be here any minute.
Mulai guys. Ada bom. Bentar. Wow. Ini baru keren guys. Hah? Ini baru keren.
Orders confirmed. 1 minute to bomb strike.
Minigun guys. Wah gila.
Radio towers are still booting up. We got a chance.
Kayak rainbow guys. Udah menitannya guys. Kita ngeledak ini sih.
Ground team, zone is hot. You are danger close. Repeat, you are danger close.
Bell, we gotta go now.
They did it, Mr. President. They stopped the nukes.
Thank God.
And the CIA.
Did they get Perseus?
No, sir. His whereabouts are unknown.
And a Russian response?
Nothing yet. We're seeing signs of confusion. It's possible this was all a rogue operation. Perseus may not have been following orders from Moscow.
Well, I'll be damned. Maybe we have something in common after all.
We stopped them. Those towers are history. What's your situation down there? Come in. Woods, have you found them yet? Over here! Give me a hand!
Take my hand, Bell. We did it. This is a message to Perseus, and those that'll follow him. We don't just sit back and hope for the best. We'll make the best happen. This is how wars are won, Bell.
Do you have an update on Qasim Javadi?
Yeah. With both he and Arash Kadivar dead, their terrorist network collapsed as surviving members fought for control. With no clear leadership in place, it appears the Soviets have decided to cut ties and clean up the mess. Approximately 72 hours ago, the militants' primary encampment was burned to the ground. Nothing but ashes. Apparently the few survivors that escaped have scattered and gone into hiding.
What about Anton Volkov?
Volkov has become a prime source of information since his capture. After interrogating him, MI6 quickly established a series of listening posts in East Berlin. They've already intercepted messages from the KGB to assets throughout the city. We're poking holes in the Iron Curtain.
How did the cleanup in Havana go?
We were able to recover Agent Azoulay's body from the compound in Cuba. President Reagan personally reached out to his family, and his casket's in transit to Tel Aviv. As you know, Helen Park returned to London. She'll continue to recover from her injuries there. Afterwards, MI6 plans to give her a task force dedicated to finding Perseus.
What about the rest of the team?
They got off Solovetsky before the Soviets could send in forces to investigate. We'll take some time to heal up, then it's back to work.
We may have stopped Perseus, but his rats are still nesting all around us, thanks to the help of one of our own.
True. We failed to hunt down Robert Aldrich and his domestic network of spies. We may have to go to more extreme measures, like broad domestic surveillance, which of course we're not authorized to do.
Not yet. What about Europe?
We may have saved it from getting blown to Kingdom Come, but it's still stacked with Perseus's agents. There's more we could have done there if we'd had the time.
And Bell?
Arctic air. Clears the head, doesn't it? Bell, you made two extraordinary sacrifices to stop Perseus. One was without your knowledge. The other, you made that decision of your own accord. I just want you to know that this little thing that's happened with you and me, it was always for the greater good. You're a goddamn hero, you know that, kid? Heroes have to make sacrifices. That's why when I ask you for one more, I hope you understand. It was never personal.
Udah selesai guys. Jadi kayaknya ini ending canonnya sih guys. Ending utamanya ya. Kisahnya nanti akan lanjut ke Call of Duty ke-6 kalau nggak salah ya. Yang baru. COD yang baru, Call of Duty yang baru. Jadi emang si Bell itu adalah anak buahnya si Perseus dari awal. Terus di waktu sama Arax ditembak hampir mati, terus diselamatin sama si Adler tuh, dicuci otaknya ya. Jadi dicuci otaknya, jadi ditanemin ingatan-ingatan palsu biar dianggap itu sebagai anggota CIA. Tapi sebenarnya cuma dimanfaatin ya buat memburu si Perseus. Mungkin ini ending utamanya sih. Kita coba ke ending yang kalau kita berbohong gitu ya guys, jawabnya guys. Oke, langsung aja.
This is your chance to define who you really are, Bell. Where is Perseus?
From the safety of Solovetsky.
Oke, jadi ini kita ke ending kedua ya guys. Kita coba kemarin kan barusan kan kita ke truth ya. Kita berbicara benar, ternyata endingnya kita sama Adler tembak-tembakan, nggak tahu mati duanya kayaknya. Kita mati, Adler mati. Kalau nggak Adler hidup, kita mati itu guys. Terus kita coba yang lie. Duga. Jadi si Perseus ada di Duga.
Sims, get Washington on the line. Everyone else gear up. We're leaving now.
Ini kita ke ending kedua guys.
You made the right choice, Bell. Come on. You're still one of us.
Kita berkhianat sekarang. Kemarin kita jujur, sekarang kita berkhianat ya.
Adler. Right. Yeah.
Kemana sih? Lo kesini.
We'll leave within the hour.
Oh, kita kasih tahu si Perseus bahwa nyergap di Duga guys.
Five years ago, NATO intelligence detected a powerful signal of unknown origin. The new signal created radio disruptions worldwide.
Not to mention all kinds of conspiracy theories.
NATO quickly tracked it to this facility in the Soviet Republic of Ukraine, the Duga Radar Array.
It's an over-the-horizon radar system. Big improvement over their old missile defense tech. It uses a lot of juice. Could be used to broadcast any kind of long-range signal they want.
Like detonation codes to every green light nuke in Europe.
Where exactly is this thing? About 60 miles north of Kiev, between the cities of Pripyat and Chernobyl. It's nothing but thick forest for miles around.
A perfect hiding spot for Perseus.
We'll have to drop you in a little further out. No recon, no heavy support. Just a light infiltration squad.
Shouldn't be a problem. Just point the way.
Bell came through for us in the nick of time. I never.
Jadi nama si Adler sama si Sims tadi itu warnanya langsung merah ya. Jadi udah nama musuh ini guys. Karena kita udah berkhianat, kita coba bohong ini guys. Dan kita udah kasih tahu si Perseus bahwa CIA ini akan datang ke kota Duga. Jadi harusnya mereka disergap di sini sih guys. Karena informasi dari kita, dari si Bell.
You sure you're not forgetting something, Bell?
Ini udah curiga si Adler sih.
There's nothing here. This can't be the right place.
We didn't see anything on our side either.
I knew it! Bell fucking lied to us.
That true, Bell? You pull us out to the middle of nowhere, Russia, so Perseus can detonate those nukes?
Kita bisa milih sih guys. Kita bisa benar-benar ngomong jujur atau sinyal untuk penyergapan guys. Gila. Oh, kita berperang dengan tim lama kita guys. Sipak anjir. Si Pak kita bunuh kepalanya, guys. Kita tembak kepalanya, gila. Ini tim lama kita bunuh semua kita, guys. Udah. Sini. Tadi si Pak, sekarang mau siapa lagi? Si Hitler mana? Si Woods. Oh. Sorry. Sorry guys. Sorry guys. Bentar guys. Si Mason guys. Mana si Adler?
Over here, comrade. This is it. Your friend went through here. He is not far. Come out and play. You are running out of time and space.
Mana si Adler? Kita memburu Adler, guys.
The cat becomes the mouse.
Oh, si Adler udah mati, guys.
Glad to see you still care. Mind giving me a light?
No hesitation.
Oke. Udah sih. Mana lagi?
You remember my face, don't you? Solovetsky, stand by for the detonation order.
Так точно.
I think you deserve this moment, comrade.
Oke. Kita hancurkan nuklirnya, guys.
I wish we could return to Solovetsky to watch it all unfold, but that chapter is closed now. We begin the next one together. You did well. And to think, after all this time, they still believe I'm Perseus. As if Perseus could ever be an individual working alone. So American. We'll need a new home now. The Central Committee will be more surprised than the CIA. Even if we made the best choice for the future of our homeland. Yet, for humanity, their eyes will be as clouded as ours once were. Come, there is still much to be done.
My God. How many green light nukes did he detonate?
All of them, Mr. President.
Does anyone know the bombs were ours?
Materials related to Operation Greenlight were anonymously released an hour ago, presumably by Perseus. Calls are beginning to come in from
Jadi kalau ending kedua, ini benar-benar nuklirnya hancur semua di dunia, guys. Di Eropa, negara Eropa itu hancur semua nuklirnya.
I want any business related to this thing erased forever. Everything. Can you make that happen?
Of course. It's already begun.
Dan yang disalahkan itu Amerika.
We watch Europe burn. We will watch the empire of the United States collapse under its own weight. A world with two superpowers will become a world with one. The Soviet Union.
Oh, jadi markas untuk pemburu Perseus itu langsung dibakar semuanya sama CIA. Menghilangkan barang bukti, guys.
Then they too will be replaced. Qasim Javadi, your former friends killed him. No matter. Qasim was always a weak link, and the chain cannot break. It pleases me that you did not kill Anton Volkov when you could have. There is still a chance to get him back. Find him.
Anton Volkov akan direkrut kembali kalau apa? Kita milih bersekutu dengan si Perseus ya.
You say that Eleazar Azulay perished in Cuba. We will not miss that one. His interference with our Middle East assets will be a distraction no more. As for the rest, it was a pleasure eliminating them by your side.
Jadi beda ending, beda cerita.
With the West in chaos, our key agents within the United States are in place and ready for the next phase of our plan. Aldrich. Now that Europe is in disarray, our agents within their respective governments can help craft Europe's future. One completely aligned with the interest of the Soviet Union. My friend, we are just getting started.
Jadi ini mau dikuasai, benar-benar Eropa itu akan dikuasai sama Rusia sih guys. Kalau milih yang ini ya guys, kita berpihak pada Perseus. Jadi ending 2 seperti itu guys. Jadi ending 2 ending yang kelam sih, dimana kita akan udah gak ada musiknya lagi endingnya. Oh ada musiknya, cuma musiknya musik pelan guys, sangat-sangat. Oh ada deh. Jadi kalau ending kedua itu akhirnya rudal-rudal di Eropa itu diledakin semuanya. Nuklirnya kok rudal, nuklirnya diledakin semuanya. Terus negara Amerika yang disalahin. Makanya kantor CIA tadi tempat kita di misi-misinya ya, safe house-nya itu dibakar semuanya, evidence bukti-buktinya. Dan kita berhasil membunuh semua tim CIA kita yang dulu. Ini bad ending sih guys. Jadi ending canonnya itu masih yang di ending pertama, walaupun ujung-ujungnya kita mati ya, si Bell sama si Adler. Nggak tahu kalau Adler itu mati nggak, tapi kita tadi di endingnya itu kita sama-sama nodongin pistol sih. Terus ada suara tembakan, entah itu dua-duanya yang mati atau salah satu yang mati. Jadi itu lanjutannya di COD 6 sih kalau nggak salah, yang baru-baru ini ya. Itulah series Call of Duty. Mungkin dari teman-teman ada request apa gitu ya. Kemarin udah ada yang request sih game-game yang udah kita tampung. Mungkin di setelah COD ini kita mainin game-game dari requestan teman-teman semuanya. Terima kasih buat yang udah nonton. Jangan lupa like and subscribe. Stay terus di channel kami. Terima kasih dan see you di next video guys. Bye bye.